Good morning. 71 degrees, lots of sunshine out this morning. The winds are calm and things are a little bit drier for us this morning. The relative humidity right now at 29%. The way we arrive at that is by gauging the dew points, how close they are to the actual temperature. So dew points right now 37 in Albuquerque, and if you remember over the weekend we actually got up into the middle and upper 40s, and the magic number we're looking for here is 47, 3 days in a row, and that identifies the onset of monsoon season. So right now getting a little drier, but we are going to start to see that moisture moving in this weekend as things start to set up, getting into that monsoonal pattern. The other thing we're looking for is high pressure to set up over the southern part of Texas, and that's going to bring in the moisture from the Gulf of Mexico and around that high southerly flow into the state, and so that brings in more moisture. That gets those dew points up, and that also means more shower and thunderstorm activity. But the big focus for today is going to be a cold front. That's going to bring in a little more moisture across northeastern and the east central parts of the state. So we'll be looking at scattered thunderstorms today there, northern mountains in the east central plains, and even in the high terrain across western New Mexico. Front continues to push through tonight, and that will bring in the East Canyon winds. So expect gusty winds. You may hear them howling tonight, sustained at about 10, 15 to 25 miles per hour. And of course, we can see higher gusts and any thunderstorms that develop from that. And as it continues to push to the south and west, that will bring in a little more moisture so that the metro area may see a few spot thunderstorms for your Friday, and then even over in the western part of the state. But this is when we start to see the monsoonal flow begin to set up tomorrow. High pressure slips southward. That starts to get in the moisture tomorrow in the far western fringe of the state, and then we're gradually going to see that work its way to the east, so that by Sunday we're going to be looking at better rain coverage. So the second half of this weekend, that monsoonal flow pushes in, so we'll be looking at showers and storms, especially west of the central mountain chain, but even in central parts of the state and up into the northeast. So good news there. We need the rain so badly, and we're going to be looking at those chances going up starting especially Sunday and continuing through next week. North and west today, partly cloudy, a few isolated thunderstorms, 94 in Farmington, 90 in Grant. So still dealing with the heat, and more of it as we go into the weekend with highs in the upper 80s and mid 90s. Down in the southwest, partly sunny skies. A few isolated thunderstorms are possible this afternoon, and temperatures very warm, even a little warmer than yesterday. 90 in Silver City, and more of the same going into Saturday, and then shower and thunderstorm activity really ramps up the second half of this weekend. South and east, mostly sunny skies here, so dry in the southeast for now, and still dealing with the heat here too. 99 in Roswell, and then back into the triple digits tomorrow and Saturday. A little moisture could mean a few thunderstorms for the start of next week, but most of the moisture is going to be to your west. North and east, scattered showers today, 97 in Conchas, 96 in Santa Rosa, nearly 100 degrees in Tucumcari. Temperatures for Las Vegas topping out at near 90 degrees with better chances of rain moving in this weekend. Northern mountains, partly cloudy and a few scattered thunderstorms today, 91 in Santa Fe. So it's going to be hot today. More heat this weekend with rain chances going up early next week. And for the east mountains, partly cloudy. A few thunderstorms are possible this afternoon, otherwise very hot with highs in the low to mid 90s. And for the metro, spot thunderstorms are possible today, but I think most of us are going to stay dry. 98 in the South Valley, Los Lunas, Belen, 95 in the Northeast Heights, and we'll stay in the low to mid 90s through this weekend. Rain chances start to go up Sunday and sticks around through next week.